How to sponsor post on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can do sponsored post on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to do a sponsored post on your Instagram app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application over here. Then once you launch Instagram app, in order to do a sponsored post, which means if you want to boost after you have posted something, you need to have a professional account, so make sure you switch to professional account. Now let's say there is a certain post that you would like to sponsor. You have to just tap on the boost post option here. Once you tap on boost post, you will be able to run ads for this by simply selecting the amount of money and the budget and the target audience, the age group, and then the goal, and then you can just tap on the next option and then fill in your payment details to finish setting up this post as sponsored. This way you can sponsor post on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.